Hello everyone, it is indeed inspiring to see you once again. And in this particular video tutorial, I would be sharing with you that how can you calculate accuracy of your model. And this is related to classification where you have known labels in the data set. So let me show you that how you can do that. This I'm continuing with the previous video and which was basically on iris data set, and that how can we make predictions of different classes, that is Setosa, versicolor, and virginica in the iris data set. So we already did that, and in continuation to that, now I'm telling you that how the accuracy can be computed. So now understand what is accuracy. The accuracy is that correct divided by total. So how many correct predictions were made by the model and what were the total? So total here we have 150. Out of 150, let's say we had 140 correct predictions. So 140 divided by total, that is the accuracy. In percentages if I find, so I'll just multiply it by 100, then I will get it into percentages. So what I can simply do is I can here start with from. So sklearn, we have sklearn has got packages for everything. Okay, so from sklearn dot metrics. So I need which packages? Metrics packages. So from sklearn dot metrics, import accuracy score. So accuracy score will help me to compute this. Now score is equal to accuracy score, and I will pass here two things. And first thing is the y, which we already have, and y underscore pred, which the algorithm has made. And now let me display that what score do we have for accuracy. So 0.9666, that means 96.7% is the accuracy. That is the accuracy the model has given. So this is how we can find the accuracy. Now this sklearn.metrics has got multiple packages. So I will just show you, and which we will be discussing on further discussions. So from sklearn, I can do import metris metrics. So this metrics has got multiple packages. Now if I do metrics dot, so it is going to show me the list of formulas, the functions it is having. So you can see accuracy score, then we have adjusted mutual info, adjusted rand score, AUC, average precision score, balanced accuracy, Brier score. So multiple scores it has got, confusion matrix it has got. So these things we can use with different algorithms. Okay, so they have relevance with respect to different algorithms, the type of algorithms we have. So metrics is very powerful for identifying the accuracy of a model. So you can use this. So that's it for this particular video. Now you can build your algorithms, and after that, build means what? So you are not exactly building your algorithms, you are just creating using the packages and making the algorithms are implemented, or getting them trained, and then making predictions out of them, and then you can find the accuracy. After that, you might have some question that if the accuracy is not good, then we have something called as tuning, hyperparameter tuning. So that we will discuss in the later parts. As of now, you can kickstart yourself with these particular implementations. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.